Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to set 1.5-inch page margins in Microsoft Word for assignment, official documents, research paper, and professional reports. Proper margin setting are essential for formatting standards and clean document layout. Instead of using default margin, you will discover how to customize page margin preciously using the layout tab and page setup option. So let's get started. We can see here many big margin. Now I want to make the margin on Inchi 1.5. At first ensure that this measurement issue is Inchi. Go to the file menu first, go to the option, then go to the advanced option, then go some down and we can see here the show measurements units of this is Inchi. You default sometimes point picas etc. Obviously you can select this Inchi option, then go to the layout menu, select the margin, then go to the customize margin option. Then we can see here the top margin is 1, left margin is 1, and the bottom and the right margin is 1. Now I am make this 1.5 all, the all side make it 1.5, then click OK. Now we can see we make the page margin is 1.5 easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.